everyone, welcome or welcome back to Suvi's Hair Care channel. Thank you so much for subscribing and liking and commenting on my videos. So in today's video, I'm sharing a powerful DIY deep conditioner made with flaxseed and hibiscus. It's perfect for moisture, shine, strength, and curl definition. So let's get started. We started off by adding quarter cup of flaxseed into a pot of 2 cups of boiling water, and then we give it a gentle stir. Occasionally throughout the boiling process, we'll be storing our flax seeds because we don't want the flax seeds to be stuck at the bottom and then get burned. So now I'm just giving it a quick stir, and you can see that it's boiling just fine. And now I'm just adding in 4 leaves of my bay leaves, and I'm also adding quarter tablespoon of rosemary. Thank you so much to the subscriber that suggested that I add some rosemary in my flaxseed. It is really appreciated. And now I add in 2 tablespoons of hibiscus leaf. I slightly ground the hibiscus leaf, not fine that is grinded into a powder, but it's there. And after this, you'll notice that the water is getting thicker as the gel form, and you should be boiling this on medium heat for about 7 to 10 minutes. And once the flaxseed mixture begin to thicken, the rosemary is amazing for scalp stimulation and hair growth, and hibiscus help with breakage, shine, and overall softness. So after you finish adding your herbs, you let this simmer for about 3 to 5 minutes so the herbs release all of their nutrients. So now we turn off the heat and carefully strain the mixture while it's still warm. Use a fine strainer or a stocking to get a smooth seed-free gel. Your mixture should now be a rich pinkish conditioning gel. So now I'm just pressing down on my flaxseed so that I can get all of the gel, as much as the gel that I can get out of it. And while the gel is still warm but not hot, we'll add 2 tablespoons of vegetable glycerin. Glycerin pulls moisture into your strands, leaving your hair soft and hydrated. And then we'll mix everything together until your gel become creamy and well blended. Seeing that now it's winter time, it's good for us to put glycerin in our hair as it pulls moisture, and we need all the moisture. Our hair needs all the moisture that it can get in winter. You can see that the gel is slightly thick but not too thick because it's not cooled down as yet as it should. But now I'm just going to add in the vegetable glycerin, and then after you'll see how much thicker it will be. So you apply the deep conditioner to clean damp hair, working in sections for even coverage. You focus on your ends and make sure each strand is coated. Cover your hair with a plastic cap and let it sit for 30 to 45 minutes. Then you rinse thoroughly and style as usual. And that is it, guys. A nourishing flaxseed and hibiscus deep conditioner that leaves your hair soft, shiny, and moisturized. If you try this recipe, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more natural DIY. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. So guys, this is it. This is our deep conditioner. You can see that the gel is much more thicker. See you in the next one.